Welcome back to Cause 3D, and this week I was watching the Star Wars Lego Rebuild the Galaxy TV shows, and I hadn't seen them yet, but I watched them on a recommendation of a friend, and I have to say I rather enjoyed them for what they are, and they were fun. But it got me thinking, are there any designers out there that have come up with good, oversized Lego figures? And it turns out there are. But not only that, we're gonna print one in a massive size. So let's get into this video. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. Make sure that you hit that like button down below, subscribe, leave a comment, because it's those things that help support this channel for free and let us do more content for you. While I was looking for something to print this past week, I stumbled across on Printables BrickDreams. I'll link him in the description where you can get some of these. And they're different characters from the Legoverse, 1/5 scale. I thought, why not? I just watched the Lego series and I thought, yeah, let's print a couple of these out just for fun, throw in my collection. As a matter of fact, my buddy Zach, he's probably gonna end up with all of them by the time we're done, just because they've been so much fun to print. Great design and everything, but I thought, you know, let's just print some of the main villains for right now. So of course we had to do a Vader, Emperor Palpatine, which I did paint Palpatine's face. Vader's chest plate is actually a 2-step filament change on it. And of course the Royal Guard with his ridiculously long spear. And I love it, I think it's wonderful. And they are fully articulated, and their hats come off, their helmets come off. And I just had a lot of fun doing these from BrickDreams. And I thought, you know what? I need an oversized Vader to throw down in my collection. So what did I do? I printed a big one. So here he is.
Look at the size of that thing.
He's quite large. I didn't measure him to see how tall he actually is, but he is quite massive. And I have to say, the design of this was just, it's so easy. The capes are 3D printed. Everything's 3D printed. I did see on the Printables site that if you want to drop an LED, they've linked them for the 1/5 scales. You can drop get an LED light off of Amazon, drop it down on the Saber, and it lights up the Saber. And it's pretty neat. I just have to give mad props out on this designer. And I don't normally do that, but I've had so much fun printing these. And I just wanted to share it with you guys this week, because if you have a 3D printer, you should be ripping one of these 1/5 Lego out, or even this is 200% based off of these 1/5 size. So it's been a lot of fun, and a short video this week. We'll get back to the normal scheduled building videos next week. Thanks for joining us today, and make sure that you hit that like and subscribe, and make sure that you go over to Printables and download these files for free and build your own Lego fleet of minifigs. I guess that wouldn't really be minifigs, they'd be 1/5 figs, or in this case, just big Lego guys. Anyway, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks again.